Welcome to the hashtag Makers Creative Collab, and the December theme is Goofy Gifting. So here I have my model showing you the newest in Goofy Gifts. This is our iPad holder to burn a virtual fireplace, and it's a great gift apparently for dogs. But I was thinking more for like if you had like a university student or a person that you no, sorry, Lucy, that lives in an apartment and they don't have a fireplace. This is kind of a fun idea. Now, I got this idea from going to a craft fair, and I saw someone had a wooden iPhone holder that they had a phone playing an app of fireplace. So this is an iPad, so it's a little bit bigger, and I'm going to take it out and show you kind of how it's constructed. So I stopped the video, and this is the iPad. It just slips in there. You could put a hole in the back in a moment. I'll show you that to maybe run a charger through it. And what I did was I took a canned mushroom box, and I wanted something that would fit the iPad but still have room around it to decorate it, to make it look like a fireplace with a mantle. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to show you how I made the papers. Those are jelly printed papers. I'll show you that in a moment. I just got some soup cans in there because I thought that would be kind of goofy to give some cans of soup. It doesn't need, at first I thought it needed the extra weight, but it actually stays in there okay without the weight. And you could finish this a little bit better. So here's the mushroom can box. Here I have unfolded it, and then I drew a line and I cut across that line. And then I refolded it up, and you can see here that's the folded edge. That was the back side, and then this was the top of it, the front of it. And then here I'm showing a picture of where I cut a screen or a hole in that lid. So here you can see that. And then I also attached where this came in, there was a hole, like a space there, so I just attached a piece of cardboard to secure that so that the iPad would have somewhere to fit in. So I mean, it was just kind of I just kind of worked it out by measuring and cutting, and I don't have like a specific tutorial of how to do that, but I think you get the general idea. I'm going to show you how I jelly plated those papers. So for this jelly print, I'm using my large jelly plate, which is 12 by 14. And here I put on some black and some browns and quinacridone gold, but really I put so much black on you can't tell. I should have just put black. You wouldn't have known the difference. And then that left thing, that's a peel and stick plastic thing from the dollar store that you're supposed to be able to make like backsplashes with or something. And then on the right I used a wood graining tool that I bought years ago at Michael's. That plastic stone thing, that's also from a few years ago as well. So once that's dry, I just use some yellow ochre, some Titan buff, some browns, some grays. In the wood part, I leave it just the yellow ochre and the brown, and then I add more of like lighter colors and the grays on the left side where I want the stones to look like river rock. And then I'm using mixed media paper, a 14 by 17 Canson mixed media paper, because I want it to be sturdy. And I let that sit for a bit, and then I pull it up, and there we have our elements that we're going to use to decorate the fireplace. The wood section looked a little too yellow, so I used this brown home decor wax to warm it up and add a richness to it. So after I jelly plated the papers, I cut them into strips, and I backed them onto some black cardstock, and I glued them to the edges of the opening. And then this piece I actually added some brown antique waxing to give it sort of a smooth finish. You can also get YouTube videos that have music playing as well. I could see you could make like an aquarium, like a fake aquarium. That might be cool. Maybe you could have like I wouldn't attach magnets because you don't want to ruin your iPad mechanisms, but maybe you could stick on different frames to this. And like I said, when you take this out, you could make that a picture frame. Just slip a picture in here and just a little piece of home to take with them. At the end screen, you'll find a link that you can click on to go to the next video in the hop, and also you can check my description box. Please take the time to watch the videos and give everybody some encouragement. And this is the last video hop of the year, and next year it's gonna go a little differently. It's gonna be more of an open collab, so everyone can participate. It'll be awesome. What do you think, Lucy? Do you like your new fireplace?